believe it. So if it felt gold today, you were definitely correct, because we actually broke a record here in Bakersfield today for the cool afternoon high temperature. So that old record was set back in 2010 with a high of 68 degrees. But today we had a high of 66 here in Bakersfield. So definitely chilly. And we were feeling those cold temperatures across the county as well, tracking snow in the mountains. So thank you to 23 ABC weather watcher David Rivas for sending this photo of snow in his garden this morning. And we could be seeing that actually as we head into tomorrow morning, because this low pressure system is going to be hanging out over the region, bringing some active weather into Southern California. And again, we were seeing that here in Bakersfield. But as this system made its way down the state, it brought very strong winds. So actually some of the strongest wind gusts reported were just shy of 80 degrees. That was in Bird Springs Pass actually yesterday morning. But look at this, 77-mile-per-hour gusts in Jawbone Canyon, 62 in Walker Pass, as well as in Mojave. And for us here in Bakersfield, actually at Hart Park, wind gusts were reported at 36 miles per hour. Now those winds have died down, but we are tracking the chance to see another round of rain tomorrow afternoon.